In my work every day, I help business owners with advanced planning for business succession strategies in estate planning. My name is Leon Jones Jr., and I'm the managing partner here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. And we as business owners perhaps spend years or decades building a company that provides for our family, our employees, our community. And however, without a well-structured plan, the transition of your business to the next generation or new owner could be financially devastating due to excessive taxes, legal disputes, or a lack of proper succession structures. So today, I'm going to cover three key components that can help ensure a smooth and tax-efficient transfer of your business. One, coordinating trust with business transfer plans. Two, using buy-sell agreements in estate planning. And three, leveraging validation discounts for tax efficiency. That's a tough one. Most of us have ways to integrate estate planning with business succession through trust. But trust not only protect your estate taxes, but also can provide structured ways to pass ownership while ensuring continuity and management. So let's talk about three different trusts here. But make sure you schedule a legal strategy session with me, and we can go into detail and tailor a plan specifically for you. So first, the grantor retained annuity trust. If you anticipate significant business growth, this type of trust allows you to transfer future appreciation out of your estate while still receiving payments in the term now. So this will help you with gift taxes. Second, we have an irrevocable life insurance trust, which is a way to allow businesses to pass down from heirs if they are facing a huge tax liability. The life insurance proceeds are received outside of the estate, which cover expenses and maybe even force a sale. And then dynasty trusts. These can be used to keep a family business within the bloodline while minimizing estate tax exposure over multiple generations. Now, when coordinating these trusts with a business transfer plan is crucial to define the roles, who will manage the trust assets in the business, align the trust terms with the succession timeline, and ensure voting and non-voting shares are properly allocated to avoid conflicts. Now, the next way is by using those buy-sell agreements I mentioned earlier in estate plan. A well-structured buy-sell agreement can prevent chaos when a business owner retires, becomes incapacitated, or passes away. This is a legally binding contract that dictates how ownership would transfer under specific circumstances. Now, there are three primary types of buy-sell agreements. There's the cross-purchase agreement, where each owner agrees to buy the other's shares upon the death or departure. This works well with small partnerships. There's the entity redemption agreement. Now, this itself, the business purchases the departing owner's shares. This is often used in larger corporations, or there's a hybrid, a combination of both, offering the flexibility for owners and their heirs. The key estate planning consideration when using buy-sell agreements are a few. Funding the agreement, so whether you use life insurance, installment payments, or other means, we have to ensure that you're financially ready to make these decisions. The valuation method to define how businesses will be valued at the time of the transfer to avoid disputes, and the tax consequences, structuring the agreement in a way that minimizes estate and capital gains taxes to ensure the maximum wealth retention. By integrating the buy-sell agreement into your estate plan, you can protect both your family's financial future and your business's stability. So now let's look at leveraging valuation discounts for tax efficiency. Now, this is a major concern in estate planning, and the valuation discounts provides a powerful tool to reduce your taxable estate value while transferring a business. I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but I will say, because I'm not a tax professional, when we schedule a strategy session with you, we'll have a tax professional ready for us to help us walk through the details. But there are two primary types of discounts. The minority interest discount, if you transfer the ownership to non-controlling shares of your heirs, they're worth less due to the lack of control over the business decisions. This reduces the taxable value, and the lack of marketability discount. Private businesses are harder to sell than publicly traded ones, so shares transfers as gifts through trust can be discounted for the liquidity. Now, the discounts work in different ways, but suppose you own a business worth $10 million. And if you give 40% to your children through a trust, you may qualify for a 30% discount due to the lack of control or marketability. So instead of being taxed $4 million, the IRS can accept the valuation closer to $2.8 million, reducing your tax liability. So proper planning with experienced valuation experts ensures that these discounts are maximized. So let's integrate estate planning with your business succession, and not just to avoid taxes, but it's all about preserving the legacy that you've built. We can coordinate those trusts with your estate plan, transfer plans. We can use those buy-sell agreements that we talked about for a smooth transition, and we can leverage discounts for tax efficiency. So we can create a seamless strategy that protects both your business and your family's wealth for generations to come. Estate planning and succession planning is complex, but with us here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group, we have the tools and advisors that can leave you with a lasting, well-organized legacy. Call us today to schedule your strategy session so we can get started to help your business, your family, and your future.